I'm Jenna Dimaranan, and the topic that I'll be discussing today is all about empiricism. So first, ano nga ba yung empiricism? So ang empiricism is isa siyang filosofiya or isa siyang philosophy kung saan yung kaalaman daw natin is nagmula sa sarili nating karanasan and sa sarili nating senses. So kabilang na rin dito yung ating nakikita, naramdaman, nalasahan, or naamoy. So ang ibig sabihin nito is natututo tayo sa base sa sarili nating experience, hindi lang sa pag-iisip natin or sa logic natin. Ayon sa mga empiricists, ang isip ng tao ay para daw isa siyang blank state or tabula rasa kung saan habang tayo is nabubuhay, napupuno ito ng mga karanasan na nagbibigay sa atin ng maraming kaalaman. So first, na empiricist natin, yung first philosopher natin is si John Locke. Si John Locke is naniniwala siya na isang taong pinanganak is wala pa siyang natututunan or wala pa siyang knowledge, and matututo lang siya kapag nagkaroon na siya ng sarili niyang experience or nagkaroon na siya ng sariling karanasan. So second is John Berkeley, naniniwala siya na umiiral lang daw yung reality kapag yung isang tao is nape-perceive or nararanasan niya iyon first hand or ng sarili niyang experiences. And pang third is si David Hume, and sinasabi niya na yung pag-unawa daw natin sa mundo is nakabase lang sa observation ng cause and effect. Ano nga ba yung kinalaman ng empiricism sa science, technology, and sa mga tao? So in terms of science, ang empiricism daw is nalalapit daw siya sa scientific method dahil daw parehas nilang pinapahalagan yung beliefs na meron din yung science, which is ito yung observation, experimentations, and evidence. So para sa mga empiricists is hindi lang sapat yung theory nila, dapat sila is nagbe-verify din, which is ito nga yung ginagamit nila para mapatunayan na yung knowledge is na-acquired siya through experiences. So, example is, alam naman natin na yung tubig is kumukulo siya kapag 100 degrees Celsius na yung temperature. And yun nga is napatunayan through that. And hindi lang nila to sinabi dahil nagkaroon sila ng observation and experimentation. Ano naman kinalaman ng technology sa empiricism? Pagdating sa technology, naniniwala na ang empiricism ay innovation and nagmula sa trial and error. Ibig sabihin is natututo and nag-i-improve tayo kapag sinusubukan natin na itama yung isang bagay or ayos yung pagkakamali nito. Kaya halos lahat daw ng modern inventions ngayon is bunga or mula siya sa experimentation and observation, which is ito nga is yung learning from experience. So ano naman yung kinalaman ng empiricism sa tao? Sa empiricism naman, ang mga tao daw is naguhubog ng kanyang karanasan. Hindi tayo pinanganak na may alam agad or ng mga knowledge agad. Natututo tayo mula sa paligid natin, sa edukasyon, and sa mga tao sa paligid natin. Pinapakita nito na yung experiences natin is siya yung foundation para mapaunlad yung knowledge and information na na-acquire natin and maaambag natin sa lipunan.
This is how empiricism views science, technology, and society in human condition. Empiricism views science as aiming to explain what we can observe rather than uncovering the ultimate truth about unseen realities. It values theories that are empirically adequate, those that match observable evidence. It says to create new or mag-innovate ng mga theories based sa ating nakikita at nasusukat. It's more on observation rather than initiate ideas or reason alone. So, for him, theory is enough when it's empirically adequate or tama sa mga ebidensya. Lalo na pag yung na-experience natin ito through 5 senses, which is the sight, touch, smell, taste, and hearing. So in short, science is nakapokus siya sa kung ano yung mapapatunayan through experience and observation. In technology, it's seen as the practical use of these empirically reliable theories. Its success is judged by how it works, not by whether the unobservable entities it relies on truly exist. When it comes to technology, sinasabi niya na ito yung paggamit ng mga theory na legit and effective na mapapatunayan through observation. So, basta gumagana or gumagamit ng technology is hindi na kinakailangan paniwalaan na kung totoo talaga ang mga nakikitang bagay. In society, empiricism promotes cautious and humble views of science and technology, focusing on observable results, transparency, and real-world effect rather than abstract or speculative claims. And sa society naman is tinuturo ni Van ang pagiging maingat at mapanuri sa science and technology. The philosophy of Vas van Fraassen affect the human condition by encouraging people to be more realistic, humble, and practical thinker, since his view teaches that science should focus on what can be observed and proven by experience. It remains humans that our knowledge has limit. We cannot claim to know everything about the universe. This affects the way humans see themselves and the world. It promotes open-mindedness and curiosity about instead of blindly believing in abstract or unseen ideas. People are encouraged to seek evidence through observation and experiences. It also teaches us to value practical results, things we can actually test, see, and use rather than relying on only theories or assumptions.